And so this is amazing, right? So I don't know if you could really appreciate this, but not only is this cauliflower white, the usual way we're used to seeing cauliflower, but we've got a purple cauliflower. And this has a special thing in it that gives it even a little bit more of an antioxidant kick. And so we're going to combine those things, roast them. So, and then I'll just kind of talk you through what I do, right? So what I have here is I've got some lime juice. That's pretty much, it's about 1.5 limes. I kind of pour it in, and then I would put some olive oil in it. And I cheat, everybody, because what I do with seasonings is that I get spicy taco seasoning, and I'm going to put that, combine that into here. And then what we're going to do here is then add the cauliflower into that, the purple and all of that to give it some color. And then ultimately, what you want to do is just toss that until it's all blended up, and then you put it in the oven, and you would bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's soft. But the last 5 minutes, you take it out, and then you add the black beans into it. So you go ahead, Mom, and start preparing yours, and just kind of talk us through what you're doing.